Dera Murad Jamali is a city in Pakistan. It is located in Balochistan, a province in the southwestern part of the country. The city lies in the heart of a vast, arid plain. This region is known as the Kachi Plain. Dera Murad Jamali is the divisional capital of Nasirabad division. The city gets its name from a local chieftain, Murad Jamali. The history of the region is rich and dates back centuries. It has seen the rise and fall of many dynasties. Today, Dera Murad Jamali is a bustling city. It is a center for trade and commerce in the region. The city also serves as a gateway to other parts of Balochistan. Dera Murad Jamali is a place of stark beauty. Its landscape is characterized by vast stretches of desert and scrubland. The city stands as a testament to the resilience of life. It thrives despite the challenging conditions. Dera Murad Jamali offers a unique glimpse into the heart of rural Pakistan. Dera Murad Jamali experiences an arid climate. The summers are long and extremely hot. Temperatures can soar well above 40 degrees Celsius. The winters, on the other hand, are short and mild. Rainfall is scarce and unpredictable throughout the year. This makes water a precious resource in the region. The terrain surrounding Dera Murad Jamali is mostly flat and dry. The land is covered in a mix of sand, gravel, and low-lying scrub. The occasional hill or rocky outcrop breaks the monotony of the landscape. The harsh climate and terrain pose significant challenges for agriculture. Irrigation is crucial for farming in this region. The Indus River, a lifeline for Pakistan, flows relatively close to Dera Murad Jamali. A network of canals and channels has been built to transport water from the river to the surrounding fields. This irrigation system is vital for sustaining agriculture. It allows farmers to grow crops like wheat, cotton, and vegetables. Despite the arid conditions, a surprising variety of plants and animals can be found in and around Dera Murad Jamali. This region, though seemingly inhospitable, supports a delicate and diverse ecosystem. Hardy shrubs and acacia trees dot the landscape, their deep roots tapping into underground water sources. They provide much-needed shade and sustenance for wildlife, creating microhabitats that support various species. In the spring, after the rare rainfall, the desert comes alive with a burst of color. The transformation is almost magical as dormant seeds sprout and bloom. Wildflowers bloom, painting the landscape in vibrant hues. These fleeting moments of beauty are a testament to nature's resilience. The fauna of the region has adapted to survive in this harsh environment. From reptiles to mammals, each species has unique adaptations. Camels, known as ships of the desert, are a common sight. Their ability to go without water for long periods makes them invaluable. They are well suited for the hot, dry conditions and are used for transportation, carrying goods and people across vast distances. Goats and sheep graze on what little vegetation they can find. Their ability to survive on minimal resources is remarkable. Birds of prey, like eagles and hawks, soar high in the sky, searching for food. Their keen eyesight allows them to spot prey from great heights. The people of Dera Murad Jamali have learned to live in harmony with their environment. They have adapted their lifestyles to the rhythms of nature. Agriculture is the mainstay of the local economy. Despite the challenging conditions, farmers work tirelessly to cultivate the land. Farmers have developed ingenious methods to cultivate crops in the arid land. Techniques like drip irrigation and soil conservation are crucial. Livestock plays a crucial role in their livelihood. Animals provide not just food, but also labor and companionship. The people of Dera Murad Jamali have a deep respect for their natural surroundings. Their sustainable practices ensure that life continues to thrive in this arid region. Dera Murad Jamali is located near several other towns and villages that offer a glimpse into the history and culture of the region. This area is a treasure trove of historical landmarks and cultural heritage, waiting to be explored by those who venture beyond the city limits. Sibi, located about 125 kilometers to the west, is an ancient city with a rich history. It has been a significant center of trade and culture for centuries. It has a historic fort and several archaeological sites. These sites offer a fascinating glimpse into the past and are a must-visit for history enthusiasts. To the south lies Jafarabad, known for its date palm orchards and the nearby shrine of Sufi saint Hazrat Jalaluddin Bukhari. The lush orchards and spiritual sites make it a unique destination. For those interested in exploring the natural beauty of the region, a visit to the nearby Kirthar National Park is a must. The park is a haven for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. This park is home to a diverse range of flora and fauna. Its unique ecosystem supports a variety of plant and animal species. Visitors can spot ibex, urial, and even the elusive leopard. Wildlife enthusiasts will find plenty to marvel at in this natural sanctuary. The park also offers breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains and valleys. These scenic vistas provide perfect opportunities for photography and relaxation. The area surrounding Dera Murad Jamali is rich in history and natural beauty. From ancient ruins to serene landscapes, there's something for everyone. Exploring these nearby towns and natural wonders provides a deeper understanding of the region's cultural and ecological significance. Each location tells a story of its own, adding to the rich tapestry of the area. It offers a welcome respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. The tranquility and charm of these rural landscapes provide a perfect escape for those seeking peace and quiet. Dera Murad Jamali is home to a diverse population. People from various ethnic backgrounds and tribes live together in the city. The majority of the population consists of Baylok tribes. The Jamali, Rind and Bugti are some of the prominent tribes in the area. Each tribe has its own unique customs, traditions and language. The people of Dera Murad Jamali are known for their hospitality and resilience. They have learned to adapt to the harsh environment. They have a strong sense of community. Traditional values and customs are deeply ingrained in their way of life. The local economy is largely dependent on agriculture and livestock farming, but many people are also involved in small-scale businesses and trade. The city serves as a commercial hub for the surrounding rural areas. Despite the economic challenges, the people of Dera Murad Jamali are known for their hard work and determination. In recent years, Dera Murad Jamali has witnessed significant developments due to its strategic location along the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, or CPEC. This ambitious project aims to connect Gwadar Port in Pakistan to Xinjiang in China through a network of roads, railways and pipelines. The CPEC passes through Dera Murad Jamali. It has the potential to transform the city's economy and infrastructure. The construction of new roads and infrastructure projects under CPEC has already created job opportunities and boosted economic activity in the area. The improved connectivity is expected to attract investment and promote trade. It will also make it easier for farmers to transport their produce to markets across the country. The CPEC presents both opportunities and challenges for Dera Murad Jamali. While it holds the promise of economic growth and development, it is crucial to ensure that the benefits reach all segments of society. Sustainable development practices should be prioritized to minimize the potential negative impact on the environment and local communities. Despite its potential, Dera Murad Jamali faces several significant challenges. One of the most pressing issues is the lack of access to clean water and proper sanitation facilities. The arid climate and limited water resources make it difficult to provide safe drinking water to the growing population. This can lead to numerous health problems and hinder development. Air pollution is another major concern, especially during the dry months of the year. Dust storms are common in the region. They can severely impact air quality and visibility. The lack of paved roads and the increasing number of vehicles contribute to the problem. The city also faces challenges related to poverty, unemployment, and limited access to quality education and healthcare. Addressing these challenges requires a concerted effort from the government, local communities, and non-governmental organizations. Investing in water infrastructure, promoting sustainable development practices, and improving access to basic services are crucial for enhancing the quality of life for the people of Dera Murad Jamali. Dera Murad Jamali may not be on the typical tourist trail, but it offers a unique and rewarding experience for those willing to venture off the beaten path. This hidden gem in Pakistan's Balochistan province is a place where time seems to slow down, allowing visitors to truly immerse themselves in the local way of life. To truly appreciate the city, it's essential to embrace its slow pace of life and engage with the local culture. The people here live in harmony with their surroundings, and their daily routines reflect a deep connection to their heritage. Start your exploration by visiting the local bazaar. This vibrant marketplace is the heart of the community, where locals gather to buy and sell goods, share stories, and catch up on the latest news. Here you can find a variety of goods, from traditional handicrafts and spices to fresh produce. Each item tells the story of the region's rich cultural tapestry and the skilled artisans who create them. Interact with the friendly locals and don't be afraid to try some of the local delicacies. The street food here is a delightful blend of flavors and aromas that will tantalize your taste buds. A visit to a nearby village provides a glimpse into the rural lifestyle of the region. These villages are often untouched by modernity, offering a serene and authentic experience. You can witness traditional farming practices and experience the warmth and hospitality of the villagers. Their simple yet fulfilling way of life is a testament to their resilience and strong community bonds. As you explore the outskirts of the city, take some time to appreciate the stark beauty of the landscape. The vast open spaces and the silence of the desert can be both humbling and awe-inspiring. The desert's vastness offers a unique sense of tranquility, where one can reflect and find peace away from the hustle and bustle of urban life. Remember to dress modestly and respect local customs and traditions. This shows your appreciation for the local culture and helps in building a respectful connection with the community. The people of Dera Murad Jamali are sure to welcome you with open arms. Their genuine hospitality will make you feel at home, even in a place far from your own. They will leave you with a lasting impression of their resilience and warmth, making your visit to Dera Murad Jamali an unforgettable experience.